Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to perform a simple phishing attack using the social engineering toolkit within Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a distribution of Linux geared towards penetration testing. The social engineering toolkit is a great tool to use to exploit and find vulnerabilities, and it uses humans and how they can be exploited. What we are going to be doing today is we're going to be performing a simple phishing attack using a website cloner. We are going to be running this attack as if the attacker and the victim are both on the same network, such as a workplace, school, or even your home network. What we are going to be spoofing is a Facebook login. So instead of finding a vulnerability within Facebook's system, we will just trick somebody into going to our fake Facebook instead. So first things first, we need to gather our IP address because that is where we want to send the data. So let's go into a terminal and type ifconfig, and then it'll pull up all of your network information. What you want is this IP address right next to inet address, and once you have that, you can just copy it and close this terminal. Now we are going to open up the social engineering toolkit within Kali, and it's going to pull up a terminal. And we're going to be doing the social engineering attacks today. We're going to be using a website attack vector, option 2, and then the credential harvester attack method. Since we're going to be using a website cloner, let's hit 2. So this is where we're going to be posting the information, like that IP address we copied, paste it here, and then now insert the website to clone. Since we're going to be cloning a Facebook login, let's clone facebook.com. So now that the website is cloned, this is the directory that the everything will be posted to. So the attack is live now, so all we need to do is get somebody to access this IP address. So what you could do is you could just send them a message on Facebook or on Gmail and then have them disguise a link and just have them pull up this IP address somehow. But essentially what it comes down to is you access this IP address, and then now it says welcome to Facebook, but look, we're at this IP address, not facebook.com. So it's going to input some information, so johndoe@gmail.com. And the password going to be entering is going to be this is a password, LOL, and then hit login. Notice how it didn't actually log us in. If the user was previously logged into Facebook, it would log them back into their session, but since we weren't logged in at all, it just doesn't let us log in. But after we hit the submit button, we've got everything we needed. So most likely the user will just think that they inputted the wrong information, and now they notice how they are actually back on the real website now. So they will just go and log in, and they won't think anything of it. Alright, so now that we have all the information we have, let's pull up another terminal, and we're going to go to this directory, the /var/www. So just go there. And now we're going to look at the recent files. These were other attacks I performed, but notice how the most recent one was at 9:56. So we're going to open that document. Alright, so notice how it displays some information, even displays like your time zone. And here is the email address, johndoe@gmail.com. Password, this is a password, lol. So this is how you perform a social engineering phishing attack. And the human side of it would be just, as long as you got them to click on the link and input the information, that's all you need for them to do. So the social engineering aspect would just be getting them to click on the link, because most people are smarter today and they won't just click on any link that gets sent to them. So you can get creative, and that's where hacking really that's where it gets fun. So I hope you enjoy this